Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 1026, maximum difference between node and ancestor. Given the root of a binary tree, find the value v for which there exists different node a and b, where value p is equal to absolute difference between these two a and b value, and a is the ancestor of b. So we can make a pair of what? Ancestor of a p, any node, right? Okay, now a node A is an ancestor of B if either any of its any child of A is equal to B, or any child of A is ancestor of B. Okay, let us first realize what is this problem statement states. Now, see here, this problem statement states we want to return the maximum. What we want to return a maximum value such that the value is what? The absolute difference between ancestor and the below row. Okay, first of all, what is my ancestor? So, what is my ancestor? So, ancestor is something that it is the parents. In real life, what mean my ancestors? Our parents. That's our ancestor, right? So, if I take, for example, take this 7 as our example. What are the ancestors of this 7? So, I can say this 6 is my ancestor. This 6 is my ancestor. This 3 is my ancestor. This 8 is my ancestor. Whether we can say this 1 is my ancestor? No. We cannot say, right? Because it is what? It is a child of this 3. So we cannot say this 1 is an ancestor. Hope you understand this, right? Okay. Now, similarly, we can say this 4's ancestor is what? Same 6, 3, 8. And this 1's ancestor is what? 3, 8. This 10's ancestor is what? 8. This 14 ancestor is what? 10, 8. This 13 ancestor is what? 14, 10, 8. Hope you understand this. Yes? No. Similarly, we can say ancestor minus any one of this pair. I can take this 7 minus this 6, 7 minus this 3, 7 minus this 8. And we want to take the absolute value such that it should be what? A maximum among each and every pair. Right? Okay. How to approach this problem? Just see here. I am at this 8. For this 8, what are the possible value I can pair up? I can say this 8 is ancestor for this 3. So I can pair up this 3. It is ancestor of this 1. So I pair up with this 1. 6, 7, 4, 13, 14, 10. So I can pair up with all elements below it. Which means what? I can pair up with its subtree. Right? And I want to take the absolute difference between them. Okay, now let us go to this 13. For this 13, I can say 1, 6, 4, 7. These are the pairing value. Because this 3 is ancestor of what? This 1, 6, 4, 7, right? So, I want to take those absolute difference. Fine. Now, next, I want to go to this 6. And the 6 is the ancestor of what? This 4 and 7. And I want to take the absolute difference between them. Yes. Then, again, I want to go to what? I want to go to this 14. This 14. And then, what are the node that is what is a node that's ancestor is 14? I can say this 13 node ancestor is 14. So I can make this 2 as our pair. Then, at last, if I take this 10 as our ancestor, then I can say 14 and 13 satisfy my condition. So this out, I will generate all possible pair and I will find all absolute difference value and I just take the maximum among them, right? So this is our first approach. This is what? A brute force approach. And tell me what is the time constant space entry for this solution? I'm just lying in each and every node. I'm just traversing each and every node one time. Inside that each and every node, I want to just traverse another time, right? To the subtree. So it is what? N into n. N into n is equal to what? N square. So it is what? O of n square. Okay, what is space constraint? It is O of h because we are doing a recursion, right? We are doing a recursion. Like we are going into a depth. So it is like this height. So it is O of h. The time constant. Okay. So this is a huge, right? N square is huge. Can we reduce it? Okay, let us analyze. First of all, see again. I want to make sure how to find maximum difference between some values. let us take an array in which 1, 3, 2, 5, 4 are containing are the array elements. Now, I asked you what is the maximum difference you can make. You just pick what? You just pick the 1 and this 5, right? Because this is a maximum difference I can make. So what is the observation here? I'm picking a minimum value and also a maximum value. Yes, and I'm just taking up absolute difference between them. So this is the approach we are going to do. Yes, okay. So this is our first intuition. Okay, what is our second intuition is that just observe this tree carefully. If I am at this 8, then what are the possible paths I can take? I can take 3 and 1 as one of my possible paths. Yes, otherwise I can take 8, 3, 6, 4 as one of my possible paths. Yes, or otherwise I can take 8, 3, 6 and 7 as one of my possible paths. Possible path means what? If there are 4 elements, I can take this 8 and then this 3, 6, 7. Or else I can take this 3 and take 6, 7. Or else I can take this 6 and take 7. Like that. Or else I can say this 8, 10, 14, 13 as one of my pairs. I can take these as one of my pairs. So what it signifies? It signifies a path. It signifies a path from which a root to leaf. So this is the best clue they have given in the question. Ancestor will be what? This is a path from ancestor to a child. It is what? A path. So root to leaf is the observed path, right? Okay. You may ask, what is the observation we have made? It is just a path to path, right? It is just a root to leaf. What is the observation we made? How to solve this problem? Let's see here. From this observation, I can say we can implement the first observation here. What's the first observation? Minimum minus maximum will be the maximum element, right? So I can say, just come up with me. I can say if this yellow color path is what? 8, 3, 6, 7. So these can make a pair, right? A pair. In this, what should I take? To get a maximum difference, I can take 8 and 3, which gets a maximum difference 5. Okay, now come to the third path. The third path, maximum difference what? I can take 8 and 3 here also. So it will be 5. Okay, now, then again, we can take what? Agree the path 8, 10, 14, 13. So among this 8, 10, 14, 13, if I take the maximum value is 14 and minimum value is 8. So it will be what? 6. It will be what? 6. Now at last, white color path. In white color path, what is the value? It is 8, 3, 1, which is also 8 minus 1 is equal to what? 7. So I can say these are the all possible difference we can make, right? These are the all possible difference. And that's why what is our answer? Our answer is what? Among this, 7 is our answer, right? Among this, we get a 7 as the answer. See here, what's our maximum? 7. Can I understand this? This is what our question statement states, right? We want to get the maximum difference from the ancestor and from a node and its ancestor. That's what we have got, right? So I can say I want to take a maximum difference in each and every path, and if I do a max operation on them, I will get so let us see this example in our question approach. If you understand this, just try the code. Else you can see this. By seeing this, you can get a clear idea of how it works. Okay, now we are just using Pirai traversal. Okay, DFS traversal, we are using a Pirai traversal. Now I am at this 8. Okay, I will maintain a maximum and a minimum in each and every time. Each and every time I will maintain a maximum and minimum. Okay, here, what's the maximum? Let me take maximum as mx and it just mn. What is the maximum? I can say maximum is 8 and minimum is what? Minimum is also 8. And this is 5. Okay, I am going to this 3 here. Okay, now at this 3, it is so length, so I will just write first maximum, then minimum. Okay, at this, what is the maximum? I can say 8 is a maximum, and what is minimum? 3 is a minimum. Okay, then I am going here. Now, what is maximum? I can say 8 is a maximum, but what is the minimum? I can say minimum is 1 because it is lesser than 3, right? Okay, now I am going further down. It is what? Null. We don't have any child, null. So while going null, I will take this as our maximum absolute difference, right? What is our maximum absolute difference? It is 7. So I will return 7 here. And it returns what? It returns a 7 here. It also returns 7, right? In null. When I'm going to null, then only I return the absolute difference between them. So it also returns 7. Okay, whether I want to take this 7 or this 7, we can take any 7. We will take what? The maximum among the left path and the right path, right? You want to take the maximum among left path and right path. So what is the maximum among the 7, 7? 7 only. So that's why this one returns what? 7. Now, again, I'm going to the 6. Okay. Now, whether the 6 contributes 3 is not greater than 6. Okay. So the 6 is not a minimum value. The 6 is also not a maximum value. Don't worry. Just go down. I'm going down. Here comes what? Here comes a 4. Here comes what? A 4. Whether 4 contributes anything? No. 4 is not a minimum value, then 3. 4 is not a maximum value, then 8. Then again go here. So here also 8,3. Here also 8,3 only. Then while going to this null, I want to take the absolute difference. What is the absolute difference? It is 5. So I will pass 5. Here also I go null. Here also I pass 5. And what's the maximum? I can say it is 5. Okay, now it's time to go to this node. While going to this node, whether 7 contributes? No. 7 is not greater than 8 and 7 is not less than 8. Sorry, less than 3. So this 7 is also not contribute. Okay, it also go down and it is a maximum as what? Maximum is 5 only. Because here also what is the value? It is 8,3 only, right? Okay, what is the maximum? I can say maximum is 5 only. Okay, here also 5, here also 5. So maximum will be what? Maximum will be 5. So at this node 3, what is my left value? It is 7. What is my right value? It is 5. So I want to return what? I want to return 2 here. Sorry, as 7 here because 7 is a maximum, right? Okay, now it's time to go for what? Right side. Okay, going to right side. 10. Okay, 10 should be the maximum value. So maximum will be 10 and minimum will be what? Okay. Now again I'm going to left. It is null. So when I encounter null, what should I do? I just take the absolute difference. So absolute difference between 10 and 8 is what? 2. So it returns 2. Okay, it goes to right side. While going to right side is encounter what? 14. 14 is what? Larger than 10. And it is not smaller than 8. So just don't update it. Okay, now again go to the left side. Go to the left side. Now this 13, whether this 13 is greater than 14, no. As 13 is less than 8, so it cannot be maximum and minimum value. So 14 and 8 will be passed here also. So here comes, when it comes to null, it is what? 14 and 8. What is the 14 and 8 difference? It is 6 only. So it returns what? 6. And it comes here, it is also null, it also returns 6. And 6. What is the maximum? It is 6 only. So 6. Now it goes to right. Now right is also what? At null. And here also what? It returns absolute difference of these two is what? 6. So 6. What is the maximum among the 6 and 6? I can say the maximum among the 6 and 6 is again 6. So this 14 returns what? A 6 here. So for this 2, here it returns what? Sorry, for this node 10, here from the left side it returns 2 and from right side it returns 6. So among this, what is the maximum? I can say maximum is 6. So this 10 returns what? 6. Okay, for this 8. For this 8, what is the left sub-tree? It is 7. What is the right sub-tree? It is 6. So among this, what is the maximum value? I can say the maximum value is 7. So it returns what? As 7 here. So 7 is the output here, right? We got output. Yes. So it is like what? It is like we are going down, up to down. Then wait, moving up, we are just applying a greedy algorithm. Here we are using what? A greedy algorithm. Because what? What is a greedy algorithm? If we want a maximum difference, we are doing what? We are just taking a maximum element and minimum element, just minus it. That's it. We get the answer, right? So by doing this, what is my time complexity reduced to n? And what is my space complexity? It is work that's only. It is height of the binary. Hope you understand this method, right? Okay, now it's time to see the code. See here. Def find root, maximum, minimum. Okay, if not root, then what should I do? I should take the absolute difference between them. So instead of taking the absolute difference, I'm taking what? The maximum minus minimum. However, maximum can be what? Greater than or equal to minimum, right? That's why I'm taking like this. Now, maximum is equal to max of maximum, root's value, and minimum is equal to minimum of minimum value, root value. And I'm just passing what? This maximum and minimum while I'm going to the left subtree and also at right subtree. Okay, this is the recursion call. Now at last, we return max of left and right. So I'm returning the max among the left subtree and also the right subtree. Then minimum and maximum is initialize what? A root value. I just initialize what? The value of 8, right? In the triangle explanation. That's what I just initialize here. Then I am calling what? Find of root, max, min. That's it. Just I returning it. While calling it, I just returning it. Because the function returns what? At last. The maximum difference, right? Let me submit it. Yes, it is available. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a dad.
What did it feel like?